I want to show you how my team at Box, the developer relations team, actually uses Hermes agent to stay on top of all of the latest AI trends. Because, hey, like we want to stay on top of this so that we can create all these cool developer tutorials and demos for you guys. So I have my Hermes agent invited into our Box DevRel Slack channel. And I have this channel called Daily AI News. And here, I gave Hermes a very long prompt, basically asking it to create me a daily AI news report of everything that happened in the last 24 hours so that our team can kind of stay on top of that. Now, what's interesting here is that Hermes right now doesn't know anything about this task. It's in a completely new state. And I told Hermes to create this report and upload it to Box. Now, the reason why I'm using Box here is because our team is using Box as like a collaborative tool. We store all of our files and strategies, decisions, all on Box so that our team can kind of look at them at the same time. But now my Hermes agent has access to the same files. So what's really cool here is that I've completely automated the entire process of doing the research, creating the report, sharing them to my teammates, and discussing what our next content would be. Now I have my Hermes agent set up so that it's giving me these news reports every morning at 7 a.m. and uploading them to Box. So this is the folder that my Hermes agent is uploading the reports to. Let's take a look at the first one. Here you can see that it created this entire documentation with an executive summary, top AI stories that I should be looking at, and some research watch that we should be looking at as well. So this is pretty good. It gives me a general overview of what happened in the AI world in the last 24 hours. And it also includes the appendix so that I can look at the sources directly myself. Now this is great, but I wanted to make this more catered for my team. So back in the same Slack channel, I told Hermes, hey, I want these AI news report to be catered for the Box DevRel team. This is our team's mission. I want you to include content ideas, AI dev tool trend signals, some X accounts that we should be connecting with and engaging with. And also, I want you to just help us be in the AI conversation and help promote these developer tools that we have on Box. And I just have a conversation with it. Hermes, you can see that it's looking at the skills that it created automatically for this daily AI news report, and it's updating the skill with this new instruction. So now it's saying, hey, starting tomorrow, I will include all these new requests that you've asked me. So now back here at our Box folder, let's take a look at the one from June 16th. This is the updated report from Hermes. And yeah, you'll see that it has the same thing. It has the executive summary. It gives me the top AI stories. But if we scroll down here, you'll notice that now we have a specific section for AI dev tools. I mean, we're mainly going to be engaging with developers, and we want to be on top of all these cool AI dev tools and harnesses and skills that we can utilize. So this definitely helps us out. And here, it also includes a content idea for our DevRel team. And out of these ones, I think the third idea, Box plus Mastra, kind of caught my eye because I'm terminally on X, and I've noticed a lot of people talking about Mastra as like an upcoming TypeScript agent framework, and a lot of people love it. I want to see if I can create some agents using Mastra, connect the agent to Box, and see what we can do there. So here, I'm going to directly mention my teammate, Andrew, and say, hey, Andrew, for the next video, let's work on the Mastra idea. And there you go. I can directly just work off of this report that my Hermes agent created automatically, and boom, now we have some developer content in the backlog. Now back in Slack, I can do stuff like this, where I ask Hermes, hey, look at the report on June 16th, summarize it, and tell me the most interesting Box developer content idea I can work on next. Okay, so it seems like Hermes is also recommending that I create a content using Mastra with Box. Let's actually take a look at the response Hermes gave me in this channel. So it's giving me a short summary about SpaceX buying Cursor, local agentic AI hitting quality inflection points, very cool. And it's also giving me the content ideas ranked by Box DevRel Fit, and Box plus Mastra is the first one. And I think Hermes is giving me this answer because it read the comment that I posted in that file on Box, and it's kind of using that as context to recommend this content idea. So overall, it's really cool that my Hermes agent is kind of integrated into this entire workflow. Our DevRel team is really busy. We're trying to create various content and articles, and we go to conferences. And sometimes it's just too much to scroll through X for hours and hours to just stay on top of everything. But now with Hermes, it's just giving me a daily report. Our team just looks at the report, identify what we want to focus on, and just focus on doing the actual work. But hey, if you want to try build this workflow yourself, you can do so for free by signing up to our free developer account at Box. I'll leave the information down below, so definitely go check it out.